Alright everyone, I have a huge announcement coming up right now for the channel, and that is simply that we have a name change coming. Now the reason why I'm deciding to do a name change is because right now my current channel name, Instagram, TikTok, is just basically a random Instagram name that I had from back in the day. So the new one is going to be a lot more direct, it's shorter, and better. And that new name is DIY Diesel. So you're going to see that across all three platforms. It's not going to change what content I'm going to do. I'm still going to be doing DIY Duramax work. You know, it's going to be more specific, obviously, with the name. The main reason for doing it is simply because it's a lot more short, it's direct, and it opens a lot more for the future. You know, I've said time and time again that I'm in this for the long haul, and I just pulled an LLC. It's a big personal accomplishment for what my personal life and my goals in my life are, and I'm beyond happy about it. I'm excited about it. So like I said, stay tuned for the future. DIY Diesel is here and we're not going anywhere, guys. So buckle up, hang tight, and let's go for a fun ride.